Hey guys, today I am using lots of lavender. This is the last week for Sale-a-bration, and this is one of the Sale-a-bration stamp sets that you can pick for free with a $50 purchase. And I really love this stamp set. I wasn't a fan at first until I started seeing projects with it. So I'm bringing in some crumb cake cardstock, card base, and then here are Pear Pizzazz and Very Vanilla card panels, and they're 1/4 of an inch smaller than the cardstock they're being attached to, if that makes any sense. Pear Pizzazz, Powder Pink, Basic Gray, and Sweet Sugar Plum are the ink pads I am using. I'm also bringing in Bunch of Blossoms stamp set for my sentiment piece, and all items will be linked below with the exception, here's some ribbon that will be linked below, with the exception of the Lots of Lavender because I'm unable to link that since it is a Sale-a-bration item. Now, here's a card I made, and I'm going to be making one with you, but I'm going to speak while I show you. This is also the last week if you're interested in signing up with Stampin' Up! That you can earn 2 free stamp sets of your choice, and they are anything of your choice. It's not something that you're limited with Sale-a-bration items. It's 2 free stamp sets, which is a great opportunity to join Stampin' Up! Even if you don't continue, but if you're thinking about making a big order, definitely join because you get a great deal. For $99, you get $125 worth of product plus 2 free stamp sets, and that is only good until the 31st. So here I've taken my piece of Very Vanilla cardstock. I've stamped my lavender outline image in basic gray ink. I wanted something really soft. You could even stamp it off and stamp on here if you want it a little bit softer. And I'm using my Pear Pizzazz to stamp my leaves. Now what I love about this stamp set is that there's no coloring involved. You just stamp a color down and there you go. The image is colored. I don't mind coloring, but sometimes I'm just not in the mood and I need to create a card. Go ahead and use the powder pink to stamp the bow, and then I'm going to use the Sweet Sugar Plum to stamp my flowers. And voila! It is done and colored. And it comes out of the lines a little bit, which I like that look. Here I'm using that sentiment from that other stamp set. Thank you very much. Go ahead and stamp that down. And I believe I stamped this in Sweet Sugar Plum as well. Yes. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that ribbon and tie myself a bow. It's a very quick and easy card. This card design would be great for mass producing. You could skip the bow because ribbon and bows can be time consuming. But if you just wanted to make a bunch of thank you cards, this is great. Or if you sell your cards and you want to make a card set of thank you cards, this would be awesome as well. This could be used as a sympathy card, a get well soon card, really any occasion. I just think it's very classy. And so I wrapped some ribbon around, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie a bow, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere that bow on my card using glue dots. And these glue dots are on a sheet. They're actually leftovers from paper pumpkin kits. I have a ton of them, so I'm wanting to use them up. I put one underneath the ribbon just to kind of give it some to make it more secure because it'll shift on me if I don't. Go ahead and add some tape adhesive, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere it to my Pear Pizzazz card panel. In this video I did not speed up, so I feel like I'm watching it in slow motion. I'm so used to not watching a video in real time, but I wanted to take my time and make sure I tell you everything about Sale-a-bration ending and all that, because I've kind of been MIA, of course, on this channel. If you follow me, you know my posting is sporadic and not that often, but I definitely have not devoted a lot of time to Sale-a-bration this year as I did last year. And last year was a big success for me, and I miss that. I miss this channel. But over the summer, I guarantee over the summer it will get better. Go ahead and attach my bow, and then that completes this card. I love this stamp set, and it's something, like I said, that I did not like in the beginning. So there are the two cards I made. The one on the left I made off camera just as a sample card. I love both. If you're interested in any of the products, please check out my shop. Everything will be linked below that I used. Again, let me know if you have any questions about Sale-a-bration. This is the last week for Sale-a-bration, so if you have been wanting to place an order, definitely take advantage of it while you can so you can earn free product. And let me know if you need an occasions catalog. The occasions catalog is good till May 31st, and I will gladly send you one. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!